Hi everybody, welcome to another Kids Craft. Today we're going to be making a snow owl from a pine cone. So obviously, first of all, you are going to need a pine cone. Next, you're going to need some cotton balls. My pine cone is pretty tiny, so I'm probably not going to need all of these. Depending on the size of your pine cone, you may need more or less. It just kind of depends on the shape and size. You're going to need some white and black felt, a pair of googly eyes, scissors. You're going to need a permanent marker or a paint pen, something to draw some details on your felt, and you're going to need some glue. I'm going to be using a low temperature hot glue gun today, but you can use white glue. Just make sure you give everything time to dry. Let's begin. To start, we are going to prepare our owl's eyes. So take your black felt and your googly eyes and go ahead and glue the eyes to the felt. Just make sure that you have enough space to cut those out and it'll look better in the end. Make sure you save some of your black felt because you're going to need it later for the beak. Once those are on there, you're going to cut out the eyes and leave some of the felt around them, like so. You can also cut the circles out first and then glue the eyes on there, but I find it easier to do it this way. With your leftover felt, cut out either a triangle or kind of a teardrop shape for your owl's beak. There we go. I'm going to set these aside. Next, take your white felt, fold it in half, and cut out kind of a leaf shape for your owl's wings. If you fold it in half, you can cut them both at the same time so they are the same size. You may want to take your pine cone, test it like that, see if you like the size. So if you need to, you can cut them a little smaller. Do cut them big. You can cut more out. You obviously can't add more on. That looks pretty good. And while I have my wings, I'm going to take my Sharpie and just put some little spots on my wings to give them that snow owl look. You can also take some of your leftover black felt, cut shapes and glue those on as well if you like, but I think this looks just fine. All right, so next we are going to make our snowy owl look snowy. So take your pine cone and your cotton balls. Just carefully tear pieces off of your cotton ball and press them into the gaps on your pine cone, like so. And again, the size of your pine cone will determine how many cotton balls you need. So make sure you have more than you think you need just in case. So just keep tearing pieces off, pressing it into the gaps. And when you run out, grab a new cotton ball and keep going. Okay, there we go. I did end up using all 3 of my cotton balls. I could have gotten away with 2, but I wanted to give it a little bit of extra fluffiness. Okay, so next we need to attach the details. So I'm going to start with the eyes. You do want to glue these to the parts of the pine cone that are sticking out, because if you glue it to the cotton balls, they're just gonna fall off. So those on there and there. Oops. I've got a little spot here where I'm going to put a pinch more glue and put the beak. There we go. And finally, just going to attach the wings. I'll put 2 dots of glue here. There's one. Oops. Don't throw your snow owl. Not going to make it very happy. There we go. Glue that there. And There you go. Now you have a fluffy snow owl friend for winter. Thank you for joining us for this month's Kids Craft, and we will see you next time.